Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the Q4 FY25 result. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Yatharth Hospital and trauma care. Okay, so we will see where does it stand also in the race, because if you remember, in the first start of the year or the year before that, we saw that Yatharth was leading the race in terms of the hospital का sector, ठीक है? And then what happened? Max came, उसका बहुत सारे capacities को went live in the last year, and from the last 2 to 3 quarters we see that Max Hospital या Max Healthcare Institute is leading the race, ठीक है? So as of now that the FY25 का full year has ended, where do these people stand? Where does this Max and Yatharth stand? And on that, what does Yatharth का update looks like? What does a con call look like? We will be talking about that in today's video, ठीक है? So पहला बात है, first thing first we'll have to see is what has been the sales growth, ठीक है? अगर आप देखते हो यथार्थ का, if you look at it, यथार्थ का sales growth grew by 30% both on a year on year as well as on Q4 basis, ठीक है? But if you look at PAT में उतना कुछ growth नहीं था, ठीक है? If you look on Q4 PAT was flat. अगर आप देखते हो in terms of year on year, PAT hardly grew by 10%. Now why didn't they get operating leverage? Is because if you look at Yatharth, right, उनका बहुत सारे hospitals they have done acquisition. First of all, one of the new hospital, the Greater Faridabad का hospital जो है, which they acquired last year, right, that started getting operationalized. उसके अलावा they acquired two more hospitals, another one in Faridabad region which is a 400 bedded hospital, and the other one in Delhi में which is a 300 bedded hospital. So when you are putting up a new hospital or when you're acquiring the new hospital, जब भी आप capacity डालते हो, capex करते हो, so all your depreciation cost, आपका जो employee cost है, you'll have to keep all this medical equipment, all these medical devices and everything, right? So all of that cost is upfront, right? So because of this, because of higher depreciation cost, because of this acquisition cost, you see that the operating leverage has been a miss. But other than that, if you look at even the EBITDA margin is at 25% for the full year versus 26.8% last year में, ठीक है? Again here also same thing, in spite of, actually you have to appreciate over here, 3 acquisition किया था in a span of 1.5 year, and still EBITDA margin में उतना बड़ा impact नहीं आया as in terms of like the as in terms of अगर आप देखते हो PAT also, ठीक है? So other than that, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है उनका, अगर आप देखते हो पहले तो 3 हॉस्पिटल है, राइट? If you look at a consolidated basis में, if you look, the occupancy level has reached 60% and the occupancy rose 6% on a year on year basis. ARPOB देखते हो, ARPOB also had grown by 8% and now the ARPOB is at 30,000, ठीक है? So both volume growth was also there and value growth was also there. Now if you look at individual hospitals, ठीक है, उनका 5 हॉस्पिटल है, one is in Noida, the other one is Noida extension, a greater Noida में, ठीक है? The other one is in the Delhi NCR region, Jhansi Orcha, and the other is in Faridabad, ठीक है? Now ये Jhansi Orcha का one also, they had acquired right before the IPO. अगर आप इसका देखते हो, finally the occupancy is reaching, the occupancy as of FY25, it reached 50%, ठीक है? 50. And Faridabad, as you remember, Faridabad got operationalized in this year. So Q2 and Q3, I believe, in that time सिर्फ उसका 100 बेड था, and Q4 में उसका और 50 बेड ऐड हुआ, so totally 150 beds ऐड हुआ, in an incremental basis. And even in Faridabad also, if you see now, very very stunning set, occupancy has already reached 30%. Not only that, okay, iska to I think it's been hardly 12 to 15 months in terms of since it's been operationalized, right? I think less than that also, and they've already reached an EBITDA break even level. Now why is this important is because जब भी आप hospitals लेते हो ना, one of the, I would say, the worst part of a hospital model is इनका सारा खर्चा होते हैं upfront, ठीक है? Because see, before a patient comes into your hospital, you have to construct the hospital full chakas, you have to do, ठीक है? You have to get the best of the best doctor, put them in payroll, आपका nurses, आपका सारा workers जो है, आपका medical devices, इतना costly medical devices, beds, AC सब लगा के आपको रखना पड़ता है, ठीक है? So all of this is there, and on top of that, it's not like since day one only all these patients that is there, they will come and they'll fill the hospital, right? ऐसा नहीं होता है कोई भी hospital में. It takes actually 30% to reach that occupancy. It takes around 2 to 3 years for any hospital, ठीक है? With Faridabad hospital क्या हुआ है, और in the greater Faridabad आप देखते हो यहाँ पे उनका hospital में क्या हुआ, since this hospital was already उनका empanelment सब था, it became easier over here, ठीक है? So the fact that it takes 3 years to reach the 30% occupancy level. It takes even 3 years for any hospital to reach that EBITDA का break even level. Forget about profitability, वो तो बाद में आता है, ठीक है. So the fact that they've been able to do that, reach an occupancy of 30% in just a year of operation, also be an EBITDA break even level, great and well and good, ठीक है. Other than that, अगर आप देखते हो उनका जो super speciality mix है ना, like if you look at it, earlier it was normal treatment से आता था 21%, 24%, and the super speciality treatment was 75%. This year you will see और भी कम हो चुका है. You will see that the normal treatment or the general medicine is 19%, unlike last time it was 24. Now it is just 19%, and the rest 80% is super speciality. So the more a company goes or a hospital goes into providing this super speciality treatment, उसका treatment का खर्चा ज़्यादा होगा, as a result उनका margins बढ़ेगा, ठीक है. So on another plus or a positive sign, ठीक है. Other than that, if you look what are the other updates with the business, now उनका जो दो नया hospital था which happened I believe in Q3 which they acquired, right, which is Faridabad में एक और Delhi में एक. Now with both of the hospitals they've gotten complete, it has been handed over to them in Q1 of this year, and in the next month, so I believe in June it should start operationalized, and in Q2 onwards it should start adding to the revenue with a full force, ठीक है. So this is there, and unlike the Faridabad का जो hospital था, Greater Faridabad का hospital, which जिसका capacity was added incrementally, पहले 100 beds and 50 beds, like that. Unlike that, the current Faridabad and New Delhi ka hospital that is there, the recent two acquisition that has happened, this will start with full-fledged. Both the 300 and the 400 bed hospital will start in one phase only, okay? So that is also great, that is also good, and they're expecting the same only, ki like within 12 to 15 months, even these two hospital also should be on an EBITDA level में break even होना चाहिए. Other than that, what these people are also doing is they're setting up this information center, different country में, such as Mauritius, Uzbekistan, all of these countries that are there, they're setting up this information center. Now what is this information center? They will tell ki like, okay, यहाँ पे ये hospital है, and these are the treatments that you get. Why they're doing that is because in order to increase the international patients over here, because the more international patients come, because अगर आप इंडिया के patients हो, आपका charges अलग होते हैं compared to international patients, you charge them more, ठीक है. Although for those people it is cheaper because they will be spending probably in INR, in Riyal, or dirhams, right? So with respect to that, in INR it is still cheaper for them, although it is a bit more pricier compared to the Indian patients, ठीक है. So because of this international patients क्या होगा, और भी उनका ARPOB बढ़ेगा. If the ARPOB increases, again it will get reflected on the margin over here. So that is also another thing. So they're working a lot with various institutions, various governments of other countries, in order to promote the medical travel in India, especially for them, ठीक है. So that is there. And जैसे मैं बोल रही थी कि like उनका दो जो hospitals है, 300 and 400 bedded hospital in Faridabad and Delhi, that will also reach a break even in 12 to 15 months. Not only that, another very positive up here is, आप अगर देखते हो, Yatharth has a highest exposure coming from the government payer mix, right? If you take any hospital in the listed space, there are three payer mix. One is government, cash, and the third is institution, and आपका जो insurance का payer mix है, ठीक है. You will see Yatharth has around 37% coming from government payer mix. Now because of this 37% coming from government payer mix, क्या हो रहा था? One, receivables में ज़्यादा पैसा अटका रहता था, right? Because the working capital days used to get longer because the government pays you. Cash is like readily you get, right? The patient pays before they get discharged. Insurance में the payment cycle is between 1 to 3 months, but with government it can range anywhere between 3 to 9 months also to a certain time, ठीक है. And क्या होता है government payer mix में, और एक problem होता है कि like you can't increase the price readily. With cash you can increase the price whenever you want because you're a private hospital, there is nobody controlling you over here. With insurance, you can increase the prices of the treatment probably 1 in 2 years, whatever it is written in the agreement. But with government it is very very hard to get a price hike, ठीक है. So इसके वजह से क्या होता था, इसका ARPOB used to be lower in spite of catering so much to the super speciality treatment, right? Think about it, max का ARPOB is somewhere at 70-80,000 in that range, versus Yatharth का ARPOB is 30,000, average ARPOB में बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है. Max का is literally 2 times more than that of Yatharth. Now you understand why, because Yatharth ka government payer mix is high versus Max ka I believe cash and insurance only contributes 95% उनका total. यहाँ पे majority is coming from government payer mix. So इस government payer mix से क्या हो रहा था, ARPOB 1 used to be low, and the second thing is going वो receivables में lot of cash अटका रहता था, working capital days used to be high. Now they've really worked on it in the last 1 year, because a lot of analysts used to eat their head on con call, and now they've taken a very nice strategic decision कि like आगे जाके ये जो नया हॉस्पिटल जो होने वाला है, which is in Faridabad and Delhi, right? The 300 and the 400 bedded hospital. Now what they're doing over here is they are consciously keeping that government payer mix जो है, it will not grow about 20%. The rest 80% will come from cash and insurance payer mix. In this way the ARPOB also will be higher, and this receivable का problems भी नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? So that is a good thing. Other than that, if you see, they are putting up 300 crore capex for this year totally, and this capex will constitute of everything, उनका जो whatever the maintenance capex that is there for the existing Panch hospital, as well as the little bit of capex that is required in setting up the 2 new hospitals, ठीक है? So overall a great update, ठीक है? And उन्होंने ये भी बोला है कि like आगे जाके जो they might be doing another acquisition this year, they're looking for it. There is nothing concrete, may or may not happen also. That is also one thing, and it also will be in that same geographical presence. Unka, you see, right, the main hold is in that Delhi and NCR Faridabad region. It could be somewhere in that UP Bihar, or somewhere in that Punjab Haryana, basically in the Hindi heartland. Now one of the reason why they're doing it is because agar aap dekhte ho, see, it's very like if people in Delhi know, like somewhere around that kilometer, it is easy for you to establish another hospital in that same radius, is because it is easier to do the marketing. It is easier because already trust is there. But उसके अलावा अगर आप you're a Delhi का hospital, आप जाके south में अगर आप खोलते हैं ना, first of all there is no trust. And think about it, right? Whenever you want to go to a hospital, I think you check 100 times, call your relatives and see, right? The trust factor is important. So you will have to put a lot more energy in the marketing and everything, to build that trust. And the management was like, make you karu. I would rather first establish over here. And I believe this is one thing I will tell you, Apollo has done really, really well, right? The brand that they've created and the trust that has been associated with the brand, and they've been able to scale up because of that, throughout Pan India. I don't think any hospital in India has been able to do that. That is why you will see, right, most of the hospitals, they have a lot of geographical concentration. अगर आप इसका भी देखो, Max also, Delhi, NCR, Bombay, Hindi heartland, Apollo, Narayana Hrudayalaya in mostly in the southern part of India, Jupiter in the Maharashtra, Pune region, right? Global Health, Medanta also in the Hindi upper, heartland. KIMS अगर आप देखते हो, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana in that region, right? So I believe this is one thing I believe, Apollo deserves a really good applause, with what they have done with their branding, okay? So that is the thing. So I believe it's not a risk in terms of the geographical concentration, as long as they're able to get the sales growth up, okay? Now we are coming to the final thing with Yatharth, okay? So the first thing first over here with Yatharth is, in terms of अगर आप देखते हो, one thing that is very clear is operating leverage नहीं है, ठीक है? Sales growth है, sales growth has been consistent pace of growth है, but because of this capacity that they're putting up, right, इतना capex हो रहा है यहाँ पे. In fact, if you all remember, you know that, right? ये जो capex होने वाला था, they were technically supposed to acquire one hospital every year, ठीक है? But all of it, I think 3 hospitals got acquired in the span of 1 year itself. Most of the acquisition, happened very early than what was expected, which is a good sign also in a way. But इसके वजह से cost भी up हुआ. So operating leverage has been a miss. Now whenever a stock needs to, re-rate, there are two things. PE का भी re-rating होना चाहिए. And for that PE का re-rating to happen, two things are important. One is pace of growth should be there, and you have to beat everybody in your peers, right? That is one most important thing. And the second thing is EPS growth. यहाँ पे पहले अगर आप देखते हो तो ना, you would have seen the journey of Yatharth from 380 to 400 to almost 650 में चला गया था, ठीक है, at one point. Why? Because it was beating everybody in the space, high pace of growth था, and operating leverage था. अभी क्या हुआ है? Operating leverage is not there, so there is a little bit pressure in terms of stock. This is not just with Yatharth. आप देखो, even in terms of who's that? Max also same thing only ना, कि like इतना 40% से grow कर रहे हैं भाई, and that too and that base, उसका base is bigger than Yatharth, ठीक है? Yatharth का base is nothing compared to Max, ठीक है? Nothing, absolutely nothing, and they are growing 40% on that base. And think about it, उसका भी वही problem है, इतना acquisition, इतना bed capacity is going live, operating leverage is a miss over there, ठीक है? So this is one thing. And आगे जाके और भी अगर ये capacity कर रहा है, ठीक है, if they are putting up this another acquisition, और एक उनका brownfield का भी expansion होने वाला है in the Noida and the Greater Noida and Noida Extension Hospital, right? That is also about to come, right? So अगर इसके वजह से और भी acquisition होता है, then the operating leverage might not even be visible. Forget about H1, it might take, probably it might not even be visible throughout the next year, and that that can put that stock in a bumper, it could be a little bit of a bummer. But what to do, it is a part and parcel of the business. Growth भी चाहिए, अगर growth चाहिए तो इतना capex भी करना है, ठीक है? The second thing over here is the race का analogy अगर मैं पकड़ूं, ठीक है. By the way, I will do another video in terms of race का analogy where I will take all the hospitals and I'll do it in one video, ठीक है. सब Jupiter से, Global Health से, Max, Apollo, Narayana, everybody in one video, like how I did the last quarter, I'll do that. But यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ, if you look at it यथार्थ ना, if you see last two quarters में from the first position it went to second position. Why? Because Max was leading. Even if you look at in Q3, मैक्स का ग्रोथ था 40%, यथार्थ का ग्रोथ था आई थिंक अराउंड 31 या 32%, किम्स ग्रू बाय 27%, ठीक है. सो इट वाज कमिंग इन द सेकंड पोजीशन. नाउ इफ यू सी अगेन बाजा थोड़ा पलट गया है, ठीक है, बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट FY25 वर्सेस FY24 अगर आप देखते हो, यू सी दैट मैक्स ग्रू बाय 30%, ठीक है, एंड यथार्थ ऑल्सो ग्रू बाय 31%. सो बोथ मैक्स एंड यथार्थ आर इन द सेम रेंज. जो सेकंड पोजीशन में था अभी इट केम इन द फर्स्ट पोजीशन एंड बोथ आर इन द टाई, ठीक है. पहले था लास्ट क्वार्टर इट वाज मैक्स, यथार्थ, किम्स. अभी क्या हुआ है, यथार्थ व्हिच वाज इन द सेकंड पोजीशन केम इन द फर्स्ट पोजीशन एंड बोथ आर इन अ टाई. उसके आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट कम्स किम्स बिकॉज आई बिलीव किम्स डिड अराउंड 24 या 25. कोवाई का रिजल्ट इस बाकी है. देन ऑब्वियसली एवरीथिंग एल्स इन द बॉटम. मेनी अदर कंपनीज का हॉस्पिटल्स का रिजल्ट बाकी है. आई ऑल्सो डोंट अंडरस्टैंड what these companies are doing. I mean, see, Q1 was in Jan, Feb, March. Now we are in May, okay, which is Q4 was in Jan, Feb, March. Now we are in May, which is the second quarter, which is the second month of Q1. मतलब भाई अभी अगर तुम and people are doing call in June 4th, June 5th like that. भाई इसके अलावा forget about doing call. आप बोलो अप्रैल एंड मई में Q1 में क्या हुआ वही बोल दो ना इंस्टेड. I don't understand इतना लेट करके भी क्या फायदा. Like it's just bonkers. Q1 में already we've been almost 2/3 of the month, 2/3 of Q1 is over and now these people are doing call and result of what has happened 5 months ago. Matlab, what is even the point also at sometimes I think, okay. So overall good set of numbers. The fact that iska one thing I will really appreciate about Yatharth, which was lagging in the last two quarter is the thoda sa uska max started growing way faster than that. So it was not getting that kind of recognition obviously for the right reasons, but now uska pace of growth बढ़ गया है and both them and Max are in the same position, ठीक है. So that is good, but operating leverage might not be visible at least for at least until H1. I don't expect an operating leverage over here because of the capacity that is coming up over here, ठीक है. So that's that with the entire the last point I have to cover over here is the receivables, ठीक है, because यथार्थ का अगर आप देखते हो ना receivables was a big issue, ठीक है. Like I told you, connecting to that government payer mix. अगर आप receivables का भी देखते हो ना, from FY23 to FY24 receivables had increased by 119 करोड़, ठीक है. FY23 से 24 कितना हुआ था increase? 119 करोड़. अभी FY24 से FY25 तक अगर आप देखते हो, the receivables has increased by 75 crore. So can you see the working capital days are improving, the receivables is improving. Obviously 74 crore is also like but see, it is a business, bhai. You don't expect receivables are positive hoga and everything. It's not going to happen, especially uska jab 37% aa raha hai government se abhi bhi. But the fact that can you see 100 पहले 119 करोड़ से इंक्रीज होता था, अभी 74 करोड़, आगे जाके और भी कम हो सकता है, ठीक है. Another positive thing about this, in spite of the 74 crore in terms of receivable in this year, you will see उनका cash flows from operation is positive, ठीक है. Cash flows from operation was -3 crore in the last year FY24 और FY25 में अगर आप देखते हो it is positive. I think it is around 149 crore का cash flows है, positive है. So overall good, ठीक है. That I think one thing I'll really appreciate यथार्थ का management में बोलती हूँ is every single time analyst used to come, I think the last entire year, ठीक है, इनकम टैक्स का इश्यू हुआ था, ये IT रेट, वो I don't know some who is that, I don't know who it is, Nuwama या कुछ, somebody ने had written a downgrade, I'm not covering this report on Yatharth. So many issues had happened, right? You also saw how the stock fell from 650 to 350, and every single time the analyst used to come and grill them in the call, and whatever analysts used to talk about a fault, they used to improve. And I've seen this, ठीक है, and I will really give the management the credit for that, ठीक है. Since the time of IPO उनका जो IT tax के issue हुआ था, then the analyst came and told them कि like government exposure कम करो, they are doing it. Analyst came and grilled them about receivables. After that every single quarter उनका receivables कम होते गया, and they also started giving update on that. Whatever if an analyst raises an issue and if it is a concern for a shareholder, right, along with growing the business, they make sure that shareholders are not facing any fuss. So that is the thing. Hopefully, the only thing is यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ना, BC, first of all, operating leverage is a miss, ठीक है. Now ठीक है, they might grow by 25 to 30% probably, because with the capacities that is coming up, it shouldn't be a problem, ठीक है. But here एक problem होता है, we cannot predict, because ये guidance भी नहीं देता है. We also don't know how that occupancy with the 300 bedded hospital and 400 bedded hospital in Faridabad in Delhi, right, how it will get operationalized, कब होगा. It is very hard to predict over here, right. So क्या होगा आगे जाके, again in let's say in the upcoming, see, in this quarter, yes, they tied up with Max. आगे जाके again in the upcoming quarters, if let's say Max again grows faster than that of Yatharth, because उनका भी और भी ज़्यादा capacity is going to come live for Max. A lot of capacity is going to come again this year also, ठीक है. So आगे जाके again in another quarter, let's say if Max goes up, ठीक है, उनका growth rate is higher, and Yatharth does, उनका growth rate is probably not as, it comes in the second position, it will put even more pressure on the stock again, ठीक है. So यही एक problem है, यही एक ambiguity है इस situation में, ठीक है. But overall Q4 very good, nice update, great call, business is going in the right direction. Whatever the management has spoken all this while throughout the year from Q1 to Q4, they've been able to execute it very flawlessly, very nicely, very beautifully, ठीक है. So all in all great. अभी देखना पड़ेगा, in the upcoming quarters, इनका H2 में probably we might see an operating leverage, probably a little bit of hope, अगर वो हो सकता है नहीं. And the second thing is, we will have to see कि like, in the upcoming quarters, will they be able to beat Max in Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 of FY26, ठीक है. So that's that about Yatharth and Max. Like I told you, I will do another video on the entire hospital space explaining the race. Other than that also, if you all know, right, I might have spoken about this in the previous video and in my post also. We are doing a workshop on the 7th of June, okay, at 10 a.m. The workshop is going to be live, where we are going to be discussing, how portfolio management takes place. And while doing this portfolio management, कैसे करते हैं, I will be talking about the stocks that I own. What are the stocks that I own this year? What was the logic behind buying them? Which are the stocks that I planned to, that I increased allocation this year? Why did I do that? Which are the stocks that didn't work out for me? Where did I take a hit? Where did I exit? Where did I cut my allocation? All of it will be discussed over there. It will be a very interactive, very live session. Okay, I'm going to put the link below in the description box as well as in the comment section. Do check it out, and I can vouch 100% that you will not regret attending the workshop. I think, what, you're going to regret not attending the workshop, because since it is the portfolio thing they're doing about the FY25 year, it would be only live, like, it would be only live for 1 month, ठीक है. So June 7th से July 7th तक, you will be, when I tell live, you will be able to buy it only during that time. After that you can't buy it, ठीक है. That course will not be available on the website, but whoever purchased, they will be able to watch it for 365 days from the time of purchase, ठीक है. You will not have a problem, but you can't buy it. Whoever has purchased, they will be able to watch it for a year, but you can't buy after July 7th, okay. So keep this in mind, and yeah, that's that. There are only limited seats, and as you all know, as usual, recording ka prices will be more than compared to the live seat, okay. So that's that. Have a great day all. Bye.